Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the batch trim feature for your edits in the ShotCut apps. So in here, I've already opened the ShotCut app. So the batch trim is in here at the top on the editing or homepage of ShotCut. Click on batch trim if you want to trim videos more than two videos at once by using this feature. So let's find the video that I want to batch trim. So for example, I'm going to batch trim 3 videos. Click on next. So here there are 3 layers like this, 3 videos, and if you want to batch trim, you can just click on trim in here. And here choose the part that you want to trim. Click on the check icon after that, and all the video will be trimmed based on the settings that you choose. After that, you can just click on export. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.